In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide or unhide any drive in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Sometimes you may require to hide any drive for security purpose. You can hide it easily in Windows 11 computer. In my PC, I have drive C, E and G. I want to hide this drive, E drive from File Explorer. Right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management, right click on the drive and click on Change Drive Letter and Path and select the drive here and click on Remove. Click on Yes. Look, drive letter is not showing here. Now go to File Explorer and look, the drive is hidden right now. Now again, if you want to unhide the drive, just right click the drive and click on Change Drive Letter and Path and click on Add and select Assign the following drive letter, and by default E selected here. You can change the drive letter as you wish. I'm changing to K and now click on OK. And look, the drive letter K is set. Now go to File Explorer again and look, the drive is unhide right now. If you do not find your drive here, just refresh and then you will find the drive in File Explorer. This is the easiest way to hide or unhide any drive in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.